Hey, Daniel, welcome back to the iNetwork training for the business that markets the iTeraCare Classic, Pro, and the Ion Shield right now in the USA and other parts of the world. If you're interested in one of these machines, I have a way that the Singapore distributor can ship you a product. I've just gotten shipments into Denmark, into the United Kingdom, and I can get shipments from Singapore to any country in the world that will accept DHL courier. So the way to reach me is daniel@parsonsmarketing.net, or you can find me on Telegram. I will show you that group here at the end of this little training. So I'm in my iNetwork and I sign in after I put the little captcha there. I'm going to show you your wallets. So I'm on the home screen. Okay, they got a convention coming up, Dubai and Egypt. Let's go. Let's get there. And so I'm going to scroll down here. This is where I highly suggest you put a photo on your profile. And so I've still got 50 days of earning commissions till I need to pay maintenance again. And so congratulations, Lori B, one of my team members. She signed up a diamond and there she is on the leaderboard. That's exciting to see that. So here's the wallets. Now let me talk to you about the wallets. Your bonus wallet, that's the commission. And so let me pull up for you the document, and I'll just simply read this right here. It's very simple. Let me go back to screen share and share my screen. And there it is, share. Okay, your bonus wallet is your commission. This is paid daily. This is the only wallet you can use to do your bank withdrawals, okay? There's a video I did about how to fill out the direct encashment authorization form to link your bank. I use Bank of America. It is working perfectly every Friday. I receive money into my bank account from the iNetwork for all the business that I requested a payout for by Sunday, midnight Eastern time. So those of you that go to church on Sunday morning, you might want to come home from church and do your withdrawal request in your back office. So do not transfer this wallet to your register wallet or your bonus redemption wallet and try and do a bank withdrawal. It does not work that way. This wallet can also be used to register new people, pay your maintenance, which is only $30 a month to have a global business. That's unheard of. And for upgrading to the gold and diamond. Real quick word about upgrading to gold and diamond. Do it when it's worthwhile to you. I'm getting ready to upgrade to gold because I've built a nice little team and you guys are working now, and it's beneficial to me to upgrade to gold because I can get a little bit more on the percentage of the volume that the team generates. So the next wallet is your register wallet. This is for registering new people and can also be used alone or in combination with your bonus wallet for paying maintenance. You can upgrade there, and you can also transfer funds to other members in your organization. Okay, so this is very important, your bonus wallet and your register wallet. What you can do if somebody pays you $350 cash, you could actually move money out of your bonus wallet into your register wallet. There's a way to do that in your back office, and then register them with that money, okay? So the third one is your bonus redemption wallet. This wallet is only, repeat, only for redemption of products for yourself. You can send it to others if you like as well, but this cannot be used for anything else. No registering, maintenance, or upgrades. These are commissions already paid out to you and cannot be recycled to use again, okay? This is how I was blessed to be able to redeem a Pro machine. I got so many points that I went up over 3,500, and I simply just went in and I hit that bonus redemption wallet, which I'll go show you in a second. And I was able to redeem for a pro. Now I've got enough in there right now. I could redeem for 3 classics as a gold. And I might just do that. So, but that doesn't upgrade me to gold. It's just going to give me 3 classic machines. All right. The last one is your purchase redemption wallet. This wallet is only used when you register someone or upgrade yourself without using pins. If you do that, you will need to redeem the product to complete the delivery order. Okay, let me stop the share and let me go back into my desktop. And now let me hit start the sharing again and share screen, iNetwork, go in. Okay, so this is that bonus redemption wallet. Remember I told you about this? This is where I was able to get that pro, okay? Now I'm expecting some really good money to keep piling in here by Sunday, and hopefully I'll be able to either do a really nice payout for next Friday, or I could just let this accumulate and upgrade myself to gold. The other thing that I want to show you in here is the, okay, your register wallet. So I covered that, bonus wallet and your bonus redemption wallet. And okay, that's going to be it for this training. This pay plan is fascinating. I've never seen so much to be able to do this. So many wonderful things, like getting these daily bonuses in here. And, you know, every time you register somebody, you're getting points into this bonus redemption wallet. And so it adds up. So anyway, that's it for this training video. I hope that helps you understand your wallets, your bonus wallet, that is your commissions, your register wallet, that's where you can pay maintenance or register somebody new, or you can actually do an upgrade from your register wallet also. Bye for now.